Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making the capacitor safe and visible. First, power down the circuit and discharge the capacitor using a 10K ohmega resistor. Do it slowly to avoid sparks. Once done, inspect the can for a stripe, plus or minus signs, and any molded leads that indicate polarity. These are clues to terminal identity. Make sure to read the printed capacitance and voltage rating. Finally, use a capacitance/ESR meter to confirm values. This verifies the component before you continue. Next, you identify terminals with electrical testing. With power still off, use a multimeter in diode or continuity mode to trace each lead to ground and nearby components. If a lead ties to ground or a large copper area, it's likely the negative terminal. Also, remember component styles. Electrolytic cans usually mark negative with a stripe. Tantalum parts often have a molded plus for positive. When done, document which lead is which and where it connects so you can confidently solder or replace the To finish, you verify and mark the terminals so mistakes don't recur. Remeasure polarity and capacitance with a dedicated tester or meter. Make sure the measured polarity matches your markings. Once satisfied, label leads with ink or colored heat shrink. This prevents reverse installation. If measurements conflict or the part shows high ESR or leakage, isolate the capacitor from the circuit and retest off-board. If results remain inconsistent, replace the capacitor. A final troubleshooting tip. If in doubt, swap with a known good component to confirm behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.